It's fake heels. Okay guys, I am going to start by doing my hair and getting that out of the way before getting into my makeup. I'm going to be using amazing beautiful hair extensions for this look. They sent me 2 packs of their Kinky curly clip-ins in 20 inches. They came in with different sizes. According to the width, they have a different amount of clips installed on the racks. The hair also came with a white tooth comb, some clips, and extra clips for the extension in case you lose. I went ahead and I braided my hair off camera. I really didn't care if they came perfect or not, but honestly, this is hella bad. I can actually braid, but this is horrible, but it doesn't matter. I started by lightly combing the hair. I wanted the hair to have more of a full afro look, and that's why I combed it a little bit. Then I went ahead and I started styling the hair, the clips, track by track, and I started from the back, of course, and because you have to cover layer by layer. This is very easy and self-explanatory, to be honest. There's not much to explain here. All you have to do is open the clips, secure it to the very bad braids, just like the ones I have on, and then close the clips, and that's very easy. If you ever worn clip-ins before, you know this is a very easy process. Even a 2-year-old, well, not really a 2-year-old, but like a very young kid could easily do this. Just to clarify, I am editing this video a few days after installing the hair, and I still have the clips on my hair, and they're very strong and they're very secure. Even with my poorly made braids, like I still have this hair on till this day, and none of the tracks have moved. They are also very full, like you see on camera here, and they do look like my own hair. Like, guys, like this is so hard. Like, it's so hard to find clip-ins or extensions that mimic natural hair and that aren't the typical like mixed girl 3A kind of hair. I'm very satisfied with this hair, honestly. I will be making more videos wearing the hair maybe a little bit more on the wet side and more defined curls to show you guys how good it is, because like this hair is really nice. For this video, I was going more for like a fluffy, kinky type of texture, type of look, which you can achieve with this hair easily. As you guys can see, you just need to like comb it. I will be showing the hair on more videos so you guys can see the versatility of these clip-ins and how they can blend with any type of 4 type of hair or even 3 type of hair, honestly. So like you guys can see, I did leave a good amount of hair on the front, and that's because I am going to do a half up half down hairstyle for the video. I'm gonna do a bun at the front. I do have like 4 extensions with 2 clip-ins on left that I'm going to use for the bun. And also I thought this was a good amount of hair to leave at the front because when I was making the video, I was thinking about how I wanted to keep the clip-ins for at least 1 week or 2 weeks in my hair, since right now we're just home and I don't want to be doing too much, you know. Ain't nobody got time for that, and I'm being lazy around the house with this quarantine. I thought it's very versatile to like have that amount of hair, because like you can have too many like different hairstyles. Like right now I have a middle part, and the clip-ins that I use for the bun, I just put 2 on each side and I blended it with my hair. But you don't have to leave this amount. This is optional and depends on what look you're going for. For my makeup, I'm going to start with my brows per usual. I ran out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, so I'm using this brow kit I got a few months ago from BoxyCharm, and it just, it gets the job done and it works just fine. And this powder is not a pomade, so it's kind of easier to clean if you messed up or whatever. I clean up my brows with my foundation because honestly that just makes it look better in my opinion, and at some period is blends better, and that's on period. After brows, I went ahead and I did my eyes because I wanted to play with some color, and of course I have to do that before putting my foundation on. I used my Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer as an eyeshadow base, and I grabbed my Juvia's palettes because those are one of my most colorful palettes. I honestly did not know what look I was going for, so I just wanted something to like kill some time, like being at home. It's just right now, like, it's just too much. So I just wanted to kill some time. I wanted to play with some makeup. I didn't know what I was going for. I just knew I wanted something colorful. I didn't want something too pink because I feel like I always go for pinky colors. For this video, I did use my Zulu palette and my Magic palette. Both of them are from Juvia's Place, as I said before. Okay, moving on to my face, I'm gonna use the No Problem by Touch in Sol. This face primer, I tried the first time because I got it in one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and honestly, I've been loving it so much. For foundation, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty foundation that I also use to clean up my eyebrows, and the same thing with the concealer. I'm gonna use the Naked concealer, the Stay Naked. Then I'm gonna move on to baking. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Kunafa powder, which is more like a banana powder, I would say. And I'm gonna use it all over the highlighted areas. I'm gonna put some powder to dust away all the excess. Setting powder, I don't really like baking. I do not like leaving my powder on my face. Even if I have as much time as I have right now, I still won't bake. And that's on period. I just put my powder and I take it out right away. I'm gonna use the Naked Skin palette to contour my face. This has been my favorite contour of the moment. Then I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes by adding some of those purples I added on my crease earlier. Then I'm gonna take some blush. If you don't know by now, blush is one of my favorite products. I put blush literally all the time. I don't care what the look is. I'm gonna load that blush on my face. Then I'm gonna take the highlight that comes in the Naked Skin palette. Honestly, I was just lazy to get up and get another highlight, and that works just fine. Then I'm gonna spray my face. I'm gonna put some lashes off camera, and I'm also gonna put a little bit of an eyeliner just to blend in the lashes. And for my lips, so this is a tip I learned from another YouTuber, and she uses cream contour as a lip liner. And you guys, this is the best trick I've learned in the past years, honestly. And I'm just gonna put this lip gloss, which is by Bare Mineral. I don't remember the name exactly, but as always, all the information will be linked in the description box. Just don't forget to check it out. Moving on back to my hair, I'm gonna remove my scarf and I'm gonna go ahead and blend my foundation around my hairline and add the clip ends to the little bun I have going on. And I'm also going to untwist my leave out. I did twist my leave out a little bit, just to make sure it blends well with the extensions. And yeah, that's all, you guys. As I said, this is just for us to spend some time together. I'm trying to create as much as I can so I can provide some content for you guys during these hard times. Please make sure not to go outside unless you need it. You really, really need to go outside. Don't go at all. I'm trying to stay home as much as I can. I only go if I have to go to the store or pharmacy or, like anything that I must do. Like if it's not important, it can wait and I'm gonna stay home and whatever. So I hope you guys like this video as much as I enjoyed doing it, because honestly it was a really nice way to kill some time in this house and I really did enjoy it. So yeah, I just hope you guys like it. I'm gonna link all the products in the description box. The hair, I'm gonna put all the links and important details about the hair on the description box as well. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and please follow me on my Instagram. I do post a lot over there and it's easier to get in touch with me over there. I did recently join the TikTok family as well, so go ahead and check out my TikTok. And yeah, I just hope you guys like it a lot. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys on my next video. Bye, boos.